Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of Essie Couture nail polish. This shade is called Fairy Tailor and it is a gentle nude pink color suitable for all occasions. I like the fact this nail polish doesn't require base coat or UV or LED lamp. Gel Couture can be easily removed with the acetone base remover, and the whole collection has been crafted to last up to 12 days. The bottle has this twisted kind of a shape, very simple and pretty. Now what I like the most is the brush applicator. If you look at the shape, it's actually asymmetrical, which means you can pick the angle that suits you best, and it's also suitable for both right and left hand applications. It even has this twisted shape to match the bottle design, which is a very nice detail. Application is quite easy. You just apply 2 to 3 coats of the color, followed by the top coat. The brush itself is one of the best I have tried so far, very comfortable and easy to use. The color is of very high quality, and I have noticed that as I apply the second and top coat, it gently fixed the uneven lines from previous layers. The color usually lasts me around 7 days, sometimes up to 10 depending on how much time I spent on house chores. It is priced slightly less than OPI, but as a positive it only requires a top layer, which makes it such a good value for the money. Next time I will try this nail polish in a different darker shade. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.